welcome to the EEPROM 9, and before anyone complains the fact they can see my hairy legs, yes, I am wearing pants, so fuck you. So, we will be repairing the Plantronics Backbeat Pro headphones that I've had for quite a few years. I got them when I first started working in London because, well, a decent set of Bluetooth headset became very much necessary, especially with noise cancelling. Noise cancelling is a godsend when you suffer from the very autistic ailment of hypersensitive hearing and an absolute detestment of like really loud, high-pitched noises and whatnot being actually physically painful. So, sadly, I can't really demonstrate it to you. But the left headphone is broken. I've already removed the speaker yonks ago. We'll just brush the Gumph aside. Like the evil NiCad batteries from the 70s. The evil things. They deserve a fate worse than death. But yeah, these are quite easy to open. You just jam a screwdriver on between the headset and basically pull it off. And boom! You're ready to go. Oh, did I not remove the speaker? Because I see it in there. No, I did. I didn't remove the broken speaker. The annoying thing is I had repaired these, but I broke them again for being a stupid idiot and getting angry. Because, you know, when things piss me off in the morning, there's just no restraints. When I'm tired, I am just the most grumpy bastard shit ever, and I just anger stupidly, even more so than normal. Yeah, when things piss me off, I tend to get pretty angry, which is not good, but, you know, I'm working on it, or at least trying to. Yeah, I ended up smashing them against the wall in the underground, and yeah, after that one of the speakers didn't work. Oh no, and I had to break it on the bloody side the noise cancelling's on, didn't I? Of course I did. Because look, you can see it, right? Here's a new speaker. We'll pull the old one off first. We will get it out. We will liberate it from its bag somehow. So yeah, they're pretty standard among these things. That side's positive, that side's negative, which looks to be the same as that. So yeah, they fit in there. Yeah, it's not the exact same type. It really doesn't matter. Yeah, it's pretty windy out there. I wonder if you can hear the background noise from my PC because it's got a new case and all that, and its new case is a little on the loud side. So it's got these. Now there's also extra microphones and stuff in here, so you have to be so delicate getting all this out. It's not the easiest thing in the world, to be honest. We might even need to remove that, I don't know. We might be able to get away with not removing that, actually. So we'll first start by desoldering the pins underneath. Hopefully, yeah, you should be able to see good enough. If this becomes a popular format, I might actually upgrade the camera that I use to this, and so you get a better view. By popular, I'm talking about 100 video views within a week, or 200 or something. If not, you'll be stuck with a crappy webcam. So we'll just pop him out like that. In the middle, right where the speaker is actually a microphone, and that's all part of the noise cancelling system. So we should be able to see, yeah, that's just completely and utterly rooted. So we should, if we get a multimeter, I don't know where Fluke's gone. Fluke's vanished off elsewhere. Fluke multimeter. I don't know where he is. Right, okay. Wouldn't it be rubbish if this wasn't the problem? Oh no, there's ohms there. Oh no, this might not even be the problem, which would be absolutely horrible. 26 ohms. That might be a bit too many. I don't know. Anyway, out of the old, in with the new. Where did I put it? There it is. It's on top of the calculator. And yes, I swapped him into the VFD calculator because I need the power socket free, because I've also got Ethernet over there now, which is nice. We have Ethernet up in this room, finally. After far too long. Just got to pop this plastic cover off as gently as possible so not to damage the internal speaker. So swapping these out, it's I would call it easy. It's just more the challenge is the fact that it's a bit fiddly. The challenge isn't in that it's difficult, it's that it's just fiddly. Okay, so what's the thingy on this then? If that's like that, then what's the new one? $22. Maybe that's not the problem, which would be very annoying because we then wasted money on a speaker. I just want to check the cables on this PCB. Yeah, they're all connected. There's nothing disconnected there. So the nice thing is it's all pre-tin, so we don't need to worry about pre-tinning stuff. Just pop that in there. I'm sure there might be some people actually looking specifically to do this. On how do you replace your Plantronics headphone speakers? Or drivers, as people wrongly call them. It's like, no, speakers are driven. Back in the olden days of records, maybe, yeah, drivers would have been correct terminology, but not with modern speakers. Drivers is wrong terminology. There'll probably be someone like, you're so wrong about that because of this. No, they don't drive anything. Speakers are driven by amplifiers. We're not in the days of acoustic records anymore. Right, now I've just got to pop this back on here. Are we putting it on the wrong way round? Maybe. Right, let's try it the other way round. Maybe we'll put it on backwards. Nope. Why are you being stubborn? Why are you being stubborn and not wanting to go back? Like you should. He's all pushed into place. One thing we should do. Yep, it's fixed. So yeah, it was as I suspected. Now just to get this to go back together. Why are you being stubborn? Because you are the right way round. I haven't really disconnected anything else. Here we go. Oh. this is something that can happen. Ah, that might have been the reason I didn't push that in properly. Yep, that was the reason I didn't push that in properly. So yeah, we've fixed our headphones. So now we own 2 sets of expensive headphones. Maybe we can use one set as a Bluetooth headset to my work laptop. That would actually genuinely be quite useful, actually. I might try that. But it does mean contending with the Bluetooth on my work laptop, which is known for being absolutely dog shit. And I can attest to you, it is dog shit. So yeah, that was a relatively easy, simple repair. This speaker is basically nerfed. So I think we'll do something fun with it, don't you? Because he doesn't work, although he's still connected. Oh, that's right. Here's the other broken one. That's NC. Because these are actually pretty decent headphones, actually. On the reviews, people are just like, oh, they're too bassy. It's just like, what the hell are you talking about? And if you're me, you like bass anyway, so having bassy music is exactly what you like. Oh, that's beautiful. Stereo, no more mono. It does have a bit of a whine on this side, which might be the speaker. But now it's just stopped, so might just be the noise cancelling adjusting when you first turn it on. But that's this pair of headphones fixed. Now, shall we have some fun? What happens if we bang 24 volts, 5 amps through little itty bitty broken speakers that go into headphones? So remember, you don't want to hook your sacrificial headphones up the wrong way round now, do you? That would be a tragedy. I bet this is really dull, but I want to see what happens. I want to see if they do a light photon. Oh, and we just popped them. Oh, that doesn't make a nice smell. So yeah, he just melted. Oh, that's nasty. Molten plastic. Oh god, yeah. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. What about these ones? Do you reckon this one will do anything, or will this one have already be melted? Let's find out what happens. Yeah. The open circuit doesn't help it, so that's a bit rubbish. So yeah, that's what you do with your old speakers. You bang 24 volts, 5 amps through them. And then they smell of burnt charcoal plastic. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one, and I hope you enjoyed the view of my leggy peggies and panty wanties, my pantaloons or panties. Of course I'm not going to appear on the bloody internet naked, that's just stupid.